Guys, I want to show you a quick way you can use to make 30,000 naira in a couple of days, and this is how it works. So the first thing you need to do is to click the link in my bio and you will see register on OWODAILY. This website is OWODAILY. But before I show you how, let me show you that this is not a screenshot, and let's reload this screen together and you see like this is a live proof account. As you can see, my earnings is still, my claimed earnings is still 30,000 naira, and let me show you how you can make this kind of money. The first thing you come over to do is to, once you register and you activate your account through the mail sent to you, then you come over to the available jobs right here. Then you see the available task that you can perform. So once you perform this task, you earn and you have an accumulate balance of this that's set for withdrawal. But there is a way you can use to make more than this, which is the referral program, which is what have made me 30,000 naira and still have 15,000 25,000 naira pending balance within a couple of days. And this is how you can get referrals. Don't be scared. I'm going to show you everything and what works for me. So the first thing you need to do is to come over right here, is to grab your referral link. As you can see, total invite earnings 55,000, claimed 30,000, and I still have 25,000 naira as my pending earnings, so which I'm going to be paid off soon. Yeah, so this is how you get tons of referral to register with your link and you make the money out of them. Don't be scared on how to get referral. It's just something simple so you can make quick cash for yourself, and this is how you can get referrals. All you need to do is to learn how to grab attention of people online and you ask them out to register OWODAILY with your link, so you can first make profit with their earnings and you earn the referral earnings. Something simple like that. So this is the step-by-step guide that's helped me to get tons of referral, and I'm still working on more. So this is the referral accelerator blueprint that's helped me to generate referral within the last few days. So if you want to get access to this book, it's just 2,000 naira. You can click the link in my bio. You will see the referral accelerator blueprint. Then you get access to the book. Then you learn how to get referral. And disclaimer: this book will not give you money. So it's once you learn what is inside and you implement it, that's when you are going to make money. Follow me for more tips.